Hi guys, so this is the polo from Ukay-Ukay. I already have this pattern for my top. On how to make this pattern, I will put the link down below. First step, you need to cut the fabric from the pattern and make sure you put an allowance on it. Then makikita nyo po dyan yung isa, yung kakaiba po yung for the front, hindi ko po ginupit. And this pattern is for the back. Kailangan mo siyang i-fold para dalawa agad yung pattern. Because we need 2 pieces for every pattern. You can see there yung isa lang po yung kakaiba, which is yung front. And the other one naman po is for the side. That's the purpose why we need to fold the fabric before cutting it. Okay lang kung di maayos yung pagkakat ng tela, basta ang mahalaga ay buo. For this process naman po, kailangan po naman natin ng pilon. For those people who don't know what pilon is, the purpose of pilon is to make your fabric thicker. Nabili ko lang po siya sa Shopee, mura lang po yan. Mag-ingat lang po sa pagplansya, minsan po kasi nasusunog po yung pilon. So every dampi lang po na sa pilon is 5 seconds is enough. Pagkatapos na po natin i-flat iron yung ating pilon sa ating fabric at tumikit na po siya, tanggalin na po yung excess pilon sa ating fabric. Do the same thing sa ating back pattern. Tapos po pinagkahitahi ko na po yung every pattern para makabuo na po tayo ng ating buster top. We are already done for the front pattern. Then the next is for the back. Yan po yung pattern para sa ating likod. Nalagyan na po rin yan ng ating pilon. Yan po yung side-side pattern. Pagko-connect lang po yan. This is the last pattern for the zipper. Since we don't have a zipper because honey, it's easy to I can't go outside and buy some. Plus, there's many ways and option I will show you later. After we finish sewing the last pattern, we're just going to sew the edges. This fabric is for the strap. The width is only 2 inches and the length it's depend on ang kuha muna niya tiawag natin strap. Basta saglayan kasi siya. After sewing it, just flip it inside and out. Tapos gawa po ulit kayo ng strap or string para po sa ganyan. Marami ako nagkupit pero 3 lang pala yung need ko. Kaya it depend on you kung gusto nyo po yung mas marami yung pagsisintasan or onti lang. Just follow the process. Tahiin ang dapat tahiin ka lang. Tapos pwede po kayo gumawa ng ibang design sa likod. Depende po sa inyo. I'm gonna try it if bagay sa akin or hindi. Yan po siya. Actually, I want to put some ruffles sa baba because there's a lot of excess fabric pero hindi po siya bagay. Kaya yan na lang po. Simplicity is beauty. Pack ka na. Thank you for watching. Salamat ng kasyon shishi kapong kakamsaham ni Dari. Gracias.